Sobra overkill.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Treating every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like ending my days with you. You can waste my time.
Let's go na. We'll be walking towards Namba. Doon na tayo sasakay instead of here sa Nagahorebashi para hindi ganun kadami yung transfers natin. Kasi if we walk towards Namba and then doon tayo sumakay, parang isang transfer lang or diretso na tayong Panara, which saves us a lot of time. Although maaga pa naman guys, I'll show you the time. It's 10:21 a.m. Osaka time. And today, it's 11 degrees. Another thing, alam nyo ba guys, hindi ko dapat dadalhin tong coat ko. Kasi I was thinking, autumn pa lang naman, baka sobrang overkill. But, turns out, I actually needed it. Kasi kahapon guys, we were freezing our asses off doon sa USJ. Ayan no, tingnan nyo yung suot ko. Kapal niya. I don't have a heat tech though. But I'm wearing a scarf. Itong scarf na to, hindi ko to dala guys. Binili namin to dun sa Gap store inside the USJ City or Universal City. Kasi hindi na namin kaya, especially me. My face is ice cold. Guys, nakapag-decide na kami kung saan kami muna mag-breakfast. Light breakfast lang muna tayo. And nakikita nyo ba yung nakikita ko? Puro kasi Family Mart yung nasa tapat namin guys. So it's our first sighting of 7-Eleven. Diyan na lang tayo sa 7-Eleven. Tingnan natin kung ano naman yung mga food items nila. Dito na tayo inside 7-Eleven guys. And I'm looking at their food items. And I'm liking what I'm seeing. Okay, so kung masarap to. Pero alam ko meron dito sa Nara. So baka doon na lang tayo mag-try. Mochi and matcha. Tapos pastries. Ang daming pastries. Ito guys, curious ako dito. Nakikita ko kasi to kahit sa Family Mart. So mukhang masarap. Baka mamaya after dinner try natin yan. Ito tofu bar, chicken bar. Ito naman yung mga salad nila. Ang masarap to guys. Dami nilang salad options actually. Ano? Nasa salad girly. Parang gusto ko. Diba? Puno yung mga salad section nila. Pero siguro kuha ako ng sandwich or onigiri para mabilis kainin. Ito guys yung sandwich selection dito. Meron yan. Uy, mukhang masarap to. Chicken and egg. Meron din ito mga pasta. Rice gratin with shrimp and cheese. 300 yen. Ito mga onigiri nila, 128 yen. Vinegar rice and tofu skin. O parang ito yung kinakain ko sa Marugame. Actually, madami silang option. So, pili na lang tayo. Tingnan din natin yung hot section nila. Pero bawal yata mag-video doon. Pakita ko na lang kung ano yung mabibili natin dito. Ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nabili ko dito sa Family Mart. So, I got a tuna and egg sandwich. Tapos, bumili din ako ng parang Family Chiki but 7-Eleven version para lang ma-compare ko. Alam nyo guys, totoo talaga ang chismis about the Japanese konbini culture. Talagang masasarap yung food nila. And parang dito pa lang buhay na kayo. Kung hindi naman kayo maarte, okay na kayo sa convenience store food. Pwede to. I tried the tuna. Hindi sila madamat sa feeling. Nag-uus pa nga yung tuna outside of the bread. Bawal pala kumain doon sa gilid, guys. Pero ayan, tinry ko na yung egg sandwich nila. Sobrang lambot, sobrang creamy din. Same with Family Mart. I guess you can't go wrong with convenience store egg sandwich dito sa Japan. So kahit saan kayo mag-try, masarap. This is the perfect breakfast. Try naman natin tong chicken nila, guys. By the way, may pimple ako dito, ha. Ayan. The texture is the same as Famichiki. Very tender. And it's so juicy. Nakita nyo ba yan? I think blurred. Pero, ang juicy niya, guys. Famichiki. Tsaka ito, lalaban to sa mga KFC, McDonald's. Mas gusto ko pa nga to kasi ang lambot. Tapos, pure chicken. Wow. Hindi siya puro breading. Ayun guys, finally na-try na din natin yung 7-Eleven food items. Although dalawa pa lang naman yung na-try natin. Tingnan natin kung makabalik pa tayo. But, verdict, okay din. If merong mas close na 7-Eleven sa inyo, you can opt for 7-Eleven. Now we're off to Namba Station to ride going to Nara. So I'll take you there and take as many clips as I can. We made it to the Nippon-bashi Station here in Namba. So, sasakay lang tayo ng Kintetsu Line. And I believe that's already going to Nara. Puro stairs na naman tayo, mga kaibigan. Isa na namang araw ng pakikipaglaban sa mga hagdan dito sa Japan. Ang dami lang stairs dito sa Nippon-bashi, guys. Mga tatlong flight of stairs para makababa. Kaya perfect time na nakabili tayo ng Ikoka kahapon. Kasi pupunta tayo ng Nara, Kyoto, tsaka Kobe in the next coming days.
Later.
Made it to Nara, guys. I-exit lang tayo ng station. Welcome to Nara! So, from Nippon-bashi, sobrang dali lang. Kasi dire-diretso na, guys. Walang transfer. I thought may transfers pang magaganap. Sakay lang kayo ng Nippon-bashi from Namba. Then, from Nippon-bashi, last stop tong Nara. Exit lang kayo dito. Para papunta sa Nara Park. I think mga nasa good 30 minutes din yung binyahe namin. The good thing is, nakaupo kami though. And welcome to Nara! Ito yung view. Medyo uphill, guys, yung dadaanan natin. Lalakarin na lang natin from here, papunta dun sa mismong Nara Deer Park. So, let's go. Lakad na tayo. May parang shopping street din dito, guys. Paglabas nyo ng station. Tapos, lakad lang tayo dito. Doon din naman papunta yung ibang tao, so susundan na lang natin sila. I'm liking the vibes here in Nara, guys. Ito, merong hotel dito. Kung gusto niyo magstay dito sa Nara, Kasuga Hotel or Kasuga Hotel. Actually, it's giving Korea vibes. May naririnig na naman akong uwak. Dami talagang uwak dito sa Japan. So, there's another hotel here. Noboryoji Hotel. Ito guys, ito na yung Deer Park. Ayun, meron na tayong first sighting ng deers. Kita niyo ba sila? Ayun. Uy, ang cute. Dito pa lang yan sa bungad, guys, ha? Papasok pa lang tayo ng park. Medyo overcast. Nawala yung araw. Kanina sa Osaka, maaraw eh. Hello, dears. Ito, parang itong isa mahilig sa camera. Madami kasing nagpipicture-picture dito. Yan, oh. Ngumingiti din naman siya talaga. Artista. Oh, di ba? Cute. Oh, so cute. Ganda ng foliage dito. Ayun, merong deer cracker store. Bili tayo. One. Arigato. Meron na tayong biscuits pang pakain ng deers. I was expecting may amoy yung biscuit. Parang feed ng hayop. Pero hindi guys parang cookies. Ang ganda dito guys. Ang payapa. Kaso parang ang lalaki ng deer dito. Nakakatakot. Gusto ko yung maliit lang. Ayan o. Chill lang sila. Oo. Chill. Pagod na yata sila. Another thing pala, when you are already out of shikasenbei or deer crackers, pakita mo lang daw sa deer by raising both your hands para alam nilang wala ka ng crackers. 'Di ba? Iwas sunggab by the deers. Ayun, lahat 'yan nakalagay sa parang signage doon. So, wag silang pag-antahin na bigyan ng shikasenbei and be mindful of your belongings also. One more. Ay, nag-away sila. Diyos ko po. Guys, nakapagpakain na tayo ng deer. Actually, nabitin ako. Gusto ko pa magpakain. 2 deers pa lang yung napakain namin. And thank goodness, mabait yung mga deer na na-encounter namin. So, effective guys, kapag wala na kayong biscuit, make sure to raise both of your hands. And titigil naman, nung meron pa kaming biscuit, of course, they're trying to eat as fast as they can. Pero, yun, raise mo lang yung both hands when you don't have it, and they will stop. Such a cute experience. Parang may event dito ngayon. It's an event sponsored by Michelin. So, maraming pagkain ngayon dito sa park. Okay, perfect. Kasi gusto natin mag-try ng mga street food. So, baka may matry tayo dito. Tingnan natin. Very laid back lang guys yung vibe here. But make sure na you watch out kasi may mga dumi ng deers. Of course, dito kasi sila naglalakad-lakad lang. Yun guys. Parang gusto ko yung finger food lang. Oh, it's halal guys. Do you see that halal sign? Ito na lang siguro. Long potato fries for 700 yen. And maraming seating options dito. Meron din yung pwede kang tumayo lang. But dito na lang tayo sa pwede tayong umupo. Tapos ito yung potato long fries natin. Nilagyan niya na ng salt tsaka ketchup. Try natin. Crispy siya. Tapos hindi siya ganun ka-potato-y inside. Okay naman siya. Hindi lang siguro ako sanay. Iba yung kinasanayan kong texture ng fries. Ang haba nito, oh. Palapis na. Guys, tapos na tayo mag-snacks. Meron nila tayo mga crackers. Papakain pa tayo ng mga deers kasi medyo bitin kanina. And hopefully, hindi tayo masuwag dito, di ba? Dito sa area na to, hindi pa natin napupuntahan maraming deers. Tingnan nyo, doon nagko-congregate yung mga tao. Pero tingnan nyo to guys. Ayan o. Autumn na. Diba ang ganda? Oh, diba? Ganda ng Nara Park, guys. Sobrang calm ng energy. Very far from our day yesterday at the USJ. Yan. Pero sana mapaubos natin itong mga biscuits natin. Ayan, may parang underground area dito, guys. Para yata makalipat sa kabila. So, daan tayo dito. Hindi ko sure kung saan to pupunta. Pero dito pumupunta yung mga tao. Pumasok kami dun sa underground. And apparently, ayun, yung Todaichi Temple where we're going, doon din nagli-lead up to. Ayun, dito marami ring deers. So may chance pa tayong mapaubos ng biscuits natin. Guys, success! May nabawas na tayo na isa dito. May deer na kumain. Honestly, I conclude na parang hindi masarap itong nabili namin pangalawa. Kasi yung unang biscuit namin, kinakain naman. Ito, maamoy pa lang nila, parang umaalis na sila. I don't know. I'm just making a theory. Maybe busog lang sila. Pero, ito talaga, parang ayaw nila. Deers, would you like to eat some? Ito, try natin to. Try natin to siya. Guys, tingnan nyo, oh, ayaw. Di nila bet. Itong isa, try natin. Please, take this. Ayaw niya din, di ba? Busog. Dami na yata nila nakain. Try natin to. Gusto niya yata. Please take it. Yay! Kinain niya. Ay! Tingnan niya, bet. Yun lang. Inulog lang niya yung biscuit natin. Hindi talaga siguro masarap tong isa. So far, Nara is my favorite that we've gone to here in Japan. I like the quiet. Madaming turista, yes, but scattered siya all over the park because it's quite a sizable park. Ano siya, malawak, and yung deers din, they're not congregating in just one area. Guys, papalapit na tayo sa Tadaichi Temple. And ang daming tao dito. Doon sa may bungad na park, halos wala eh. Pero dito pala, andito lahat ng tao. Ayan siya. Wow! Oh! So cute! They're so cute! Kahit wala kaibigan na biscuit sa kanila, nagbabaw sila. Try natin to. Bow! Here's the entrance to Todaichi Temple. Ang ganda, guys. It's massive. Guys, here's the entrance to the Todaichi Temple. Ayan, ang laki niya in person. Ang ganda, guys. Ayun na yung mismong temple, guys. Grabe, tingnan nyo naman yung dami ng tao dito. Andito lahat ng turista, guys. We're walking towards the temple. Kita nyo ba yung parang arko? Ang ganda ng details, guys. Lalo in person, guys. The details of this arc, really impressive. So beautiful in person, guys. I hope you guys can see it in person. Kasi yung colors niya, oh, it's so dreamy. Really autumn coded. Ang saya-saya. Ang ganda dito sa Nara, guys. Favorite ko na talaga dito. Yan. Guys, andito na tayo sa Todaichi Temple. Tingnan nyo naman. Napakaganda. This is where I'm at currently. That's the back of the temple. Very peaceful. Tingnan nyo naman, napakalawak. Ay, hindi ko alam kung papasok pa ba tayo ng Todaichi Temple. Kahit hindi na siguro, dito pa lang kasi busog na yung mata natin. Grabe, guys. Kung feeling nyo boring tong Nara, actually hindi. Ang ganda niyang sightseeing pa rin. Pabalik na tayo sa Nara Station. Going back to Nipponbashi sa Namba. Hindi na tayo pumasok ng temple. Hindi ko akalain na ganito kaganda sa Nara. I wasn't expecting much aside from the deer feeding. But once you get here, it's really a different experience. So bye Todaichi Temple. Don't forget to add this in your itinerary if ever you're visiting the Kansai region. Kahit mga ilang oras lang naman kayo magstay, like 2 hours is already enough to get around here in Nara. And the biyahe is also not that bad. Bye, dear Chan. Sayonara. Ito guys, bibili ako ng simple souvenir for 300 yen. Keychain. Cute nito. Meron ding mga ibang colors. Ang cute din ito, oh. Tsaka ito, yung pink. Ayan, magdagdag kayo ng 200 yen, ref magnet. Ito guys, nakabili tayo ng simple souvenir for 300 yen. Dear keychain. Hopefully, makaupo agad tayo sa Gyokatsu. Papasok na ulit tayo ng Ibisubashi Suji. Let me show you. Daming shops dito guys. Sarap mamili. Tax free kung marami kayong pera. Tapos, liko tayo dito. Ay, cute naman ito. Puro vendo. Ayun na pala guys. Yan yung mga vendo ng Coca-Cola, right? Tapos, diretso lang kayong konti. Ito na. Ito na yung Gyokatsu Motomura. Ayan. Meron ng pila. Ito guys yung menu nila. So, kung 130 grams, 1,930 yung price. 1.5, 2,600. 260 grams or dalawang cutlet. Yung cutlet set meal guys, it already comes with 3 side dishes. Ayan yung mga side dishes. Ito guys, malapit na tayo. 2 tao na lang sa unahan natin. Tapos tayo na yung susunod. Yun guys, tayo na daw. Tinawag na tayo. Our order is here guys. Ito yung 1.5 na gyokatsu or beef cutlet. Ito daw only. Tapos sabi niya, meron daw isang serving pa ng rice na free. Tapos ito yung mga sauce. Ito, itlog daw to ng isda. Ito, patatas. Ayun. Tapos meron tayong sabaw. Ayan. Complete meal na. So, hindi na rin masama for the price, ha? Guys, masarap. Wow. Sarap din tong potato salad nila. Try natin tong garlic yata. Try din natin tong miso soup. Lasang lasa yung miso. Yan. Tapos lagay ko lang dun sa asin. Guys, we're already done with our dinner. That was an exquisite meal from Gyokatsu Motomura. We also do recommend it. Ang babait pa ng mga staff. Tapos yung isang staff nila na nagpi-Filipino, nakakatuwa kasi talagang he helped us throughout the process. Hey guys! So we're at this cafe that we randomly found. It's called Hashina Coffee. They have hand drip coffee. And we're here to have a cup of coffee and also have some dessert. So I'll show you kung ano yung menu nila. But first and foremost, you guys have to see the view here because I love the view here. Tignan nyo, meron silang seating dito sa dulo. Tapos, ang view is yung Dotonbori River. Nakikita namin yung mga nagko-cruise, guys. Tignan nyo, ang ganda. The ambience is very warm and cozy. We did not expect the view here to be like this. Kasi sa labas, hindi mo naman makikita na meron siyang ganitong seating. Gusto lang talaga naming maupo, kaya kami pumasok. But, well worth it. You can also see here yung side ng H&M. Zoom ko para makita nyo. Yan yung H&M, diba? Yung kabila niyan, Glico yan, guys. Just to give you an idea, ito yung price point dito sa Hoshino Coffee. Ayan. With the maple syrup and even just the batter, masarap siya. Very fluffy. You know what? Money comes back, but you'll never be in your 20s eating a souffle pancake in front of the Dotonbori River on a beautiful Wednesday evening. I come alive when I travel. Marami pa tayong adventures dito sa Japan, guys. So, make sure that you guys tune in to my next vlogs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!